Hello YouTube, here's an update on the blown trans in the C4 Corvette. Uh, well, I got it up on jack stands. I got the bell housing cover off and the torque converter unbolted. I did that yesterday. Today I didn't have to work overtime, so I'm going to come home and remove the exhaust. I'll keep updating people as it goes along. I still haven't decided on the rebuild process yet. I'm probably going to do it myself. I've never done an automatic trans. I've done manuals. I've done differentials. I've rebuilt the diff in this. I've built that 383 that's in the car right now. One big tech tip I'm going to give you guys: when you get your C4 up on jack stands and you enter in a garage like mine, if I raise that garage door while this hood is up, it will clip the top of those of that hood. It'll clip the top of that hood. It'll cause that to break, the strut, and this to come crashing down. I've had it happen once. That's how I know. So that's a warning. That's a good warning. Good tech tip, so you don't damage your C4 when it's up on jack stands in the garage. The hood down. And what I'm going to do is crawl into the car, just remove the exhaust for today, and that's it. A little bit each day. My back's bothering me, so I get my sciatic's giving me trouble. I'm getting old. What can I say? But I'll get back with more updates as soon as I can. Okay, YouTube, exhaust is off. I'm going to call it a day as far as working on the C4. I have other things I have to do. If you guys want any details about what I'm doing, please leave comments below. Also, subscribe, share, and like if you like it. And I'm trying to increase my subscriber base. So if you watched the video, please hit the subscribe button and share it. Recommend it to your friends. If there's something specifically you want to see, like I said, leave it in the comments. I'll try and do it. When it comes time this weekend, I'll probably go ahead and start removing things like what they call the C-beam on a C4, which connects the tail shaft of the trans to the nose of the differential. Do that, and I need to pick myself up a transmission jack. Get that sucker, and then at that point, I'll get the transmission out. That'll be the hard part. Hard part is getting those bell housing bolts off, the upper ones. Those are a pain to get to. Anyway, everyone have a good YouTube day. Remember, hit the like button if you like, and subscribe.